now we're singing about the love and all the things we had. We are up, we are down, but we're never giving up. A girl is on the way and you find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. That you love me is about.
Hey guys, Santosh here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll share about the checks that are required to be done on an reefer room or provision room. For the guys who are not aware what is a reefer or provision room, I'll tell you in short. So these are the rooms where your edible items, your everyday consumption items are kept, like vegetables, milk, egg, the meat, fish, So this room, since it is refrigerated, you need to have a daily check, and I'll show you how daily check to be carried out. So as you enter into the room, before the room you're gonna have a thermo control panel where you're gonna find the temperature of the individual rooms. These temperatures are very much important, so that you need to log it down so that you can compare with your earlier month previous values, if the temperature is maintaining properly or what. You can understand the variations. Okay, so for that particular reason you need to monitor and log it down. And secondly, you're gonna make sure that if all the liquid valve, the solenoid valves are in auto position, because sometimes the chief cook or the general service steward goes into the room for taking out this meat or do some maintenance on the room. If they want to arrange the room, if they want to arrange the pallets, they generally used to turn off the liquid valve and they forgot to turn it on. Not all, some. Okay, so you have to make sure if those valves are on. Okay, so all right, so basically this is the room, reefer room on my ship. Okay, so I have got 3 rooms. One is fish room, meat room, and vegetable room. So I'll explain about one particular room. Okay, for fish room, I'll tell you about the fish room. So as you enter the room, you're gonna find a door heater on the left end. So that particular door heater should be always on. And the rubber packing, the black one, what you see is the rubber packing. It should be proper, it should not be slack, and there should be no any eyes at the entrance of the door. Make sure there is no any eyes. And you have to look after your evaporator coils. Make sure there is no any ice accumulation on your evaporator coils, and make sure your thermosensors are free of ice. And also ensure that the drain of the compressor is actually free of ice. What happens is when you defrost, defrost happens automatically. When it defrosts, the water has to flow, the ice has to melt and flow. But if your drain line is choked, the water will not flow and will get choked. So that will create a problem. Then the heat exchange will not be happening properly. So make sure that. And these 2 black rods, what you see is the heater coils. So I didn't bring my thermo gun here. Maybe you can bring with your thermo gun, check it if the heater works properly or what. And the next thing is make sure the reefer chamber bell is working properly. This is the bell, you have to turn it on. The main purpose of this particular bell is that when a guy got stuck into this room, if he's not able to open the door, then he can raise an alarm by using that bell. So make sure that bell is working fine. But that is not required for an everyday check. Maybe every Saturday you can check during a safety routine. And this is the door knob. It should be freely moving. It is actually a spring action one, so make sure that knob is free. Okay, then last but not the least, make sure that your compressors and the motors are in good condition. Go for a vibration check of your motor. Make sure there's all these V-belt conditions are good. Then go with the low pressure, high pressure, the gas levels and everything are fine. So what you see here is the gas level. Of course it varies, since if all the valves are open, then the level is to be down. If all valves are closed, then it's to be up. Okay, so make sure all are fine. And so this is the actual check you have to do in a daily routine. Okay, so thanks for watching.
And all the things we had, we are up, we are down.